All right, so editor minimap scale of the content drawn in the minimap. So you have only three options here: 1, 2, or 3. You don't have more than that. So 1 is the default, 2 scales it up a little bit, and 3 scales it up even more. Now, if you scale it too much, I mean, 3 is not it's not at the same size as the actual text, but if you scale it too much, it stops being useful because it's just like it's as big as the editor itself. Now, what's the right decision criteria here? And I would say that this is supposed to be a minimap, which is a representation, a minified representation of your code. So it's the decision criteria shouldn't be I want to read the code, like something like this. You can actually read the code if you set it to scale 3, right? So scale 1, does this provide an accurate representation of the place you are in the file? And to me, that answer is yes. Yes, it does. And the smaller it is, the more space I have in the editor, because if you notice, when I scale this up, it takes a little bit more space, which means that I'll see a few less characters here. So I think that the scale 1 for me is the best option. So that's what I'm going to leave it with.